Hey guys, I'm Rhett with Section 8 Real Estate Investing. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave your questions and comments below. I'll get to every single one of them, which leads me to this topic. But before we get on this, I want to thank my buddy Alphonse for this shirt. He just released his album on Spotify, Danny to Dante. He's the best, go check him out. All right guys, so today we're gonna talk about how to find Section 8 tenants for your rentals, okay? Now, we're gonna fast forward through most of the buying the property, getting it ready for your tenant. We're gonna go right to the marketing, okay? A lot of people who may want Section 8 tenants don't know where to find them, right? My favorite place to find Section 8 tenants is the online platform GoSection8.com. GoSection8.com is a website that tailors towards Section 8 tenants who have housing vouchers, okay? Because just like you're having a tough time finding Section 8 tenants, Section 8 families, Section 8 people with housing vouchers have a hard time finding landlords that accept it. So GoSection8.com is a great place for you both to meet up, all right? Now, you go on GoSection8.com, you put all your information on there, you put the listing up. It's just like Zillow, just like Redfin, just like Realtor.com, only for rental properties and for Section 8 properties only. Now, Equal and Fair Housing Act says you can't directly market your property and only accept somebody with a voucher. It has to be equal opportunity for everybody, but you're tailoring it towards Section 8 tenants, right? The same way you can't turn someone away for being Section 8, same goes for you can't turn someone away who wants your rental, but who isn't Section 8, but you get to choose at the end of the day who can live in your rental. So if you're looking for a Section 8 tenant, use Go Section 8. I am no way affiliated with Go Section 8. This is no way a plug for Go Section 8. Now, I've just had good success with it. You can also sign up to be like an executive member on their website, where I think you pay a monthly fee. I would suggest that because it pushes your listing to the top of every single page as a sponsored listing, and you'll get way more clicks. I do this every single time. It's totally worth it, right? Another place I've had success is Craigslist. My management company obviously does all of this, but I keep an eye on everything they're doing. I want to see how they're marketing them, and that's a great way too. A lot of hits on Craigslist. And then again, you can use Zillow too. Zillow has been roaring through in the rental area. Their rental ads get a ton of clicks. They get saves. People reach out all the time through ads through listings on Zillow. So I would suggest putting it on Zillow as well. And listen, don't get frustrated. People with Section 8 vouchers are more frustrated than you, I promise, because there are more vouchers than there are landlords that accept them. So meet them in the middle. Make it well known in your descriptions that you accept Housing Choice Voucher Program vouchers, okay? You accept Section 8, you accept vouchers, all right? That is the best way. And listen, I know I don't have some good things to say about Facebook real estate groups, okay? I don't love them. But if there is a Section 8 or a Housing Choice Voucher Program group, if there is a affordable housing group on Facebook in your area or the area that you want to find tenants for, go online, post your listings, guys, okay? Get these listings out there. Get them out there, get them out there. Another thing, I have some investors, some of my friends who actually take their listings, they go down to the housing authority, the local housing authority, they print them out and they put them on the bulletin board. So when tenants go in, when people who hold their vouchers, Section 8 voucher holders go in to meet with their caseworker, they see them up on the bulletin board in the lobby of the housing authority. Or, a caseworker walks by and sees it and says, oh, maybe, I know somebody that would work for, okay? But again, if you have a management company, this is their job. They already know this. This is for if you don't have a management company or you want to give your management company a little kick in the ass and tell them about this. All right, guys, leave your questions, comments below. Thanks for watching.